Today we came to Homecenter place in Chiba, Japan. From tomorrow, this Japan DIY Home Center Show 2021 will be open for 3 days. The public day has been closed due to coronavirus pandemic, and today is the sitting day. This is the Homecenter. This Japan DIY Home Center Show is the exhibition that many of company which wants to promote their brand new tools that could use for DIY or industrial works will gather in one place. This Homecenter is the biggest DIY Home Center show in Japan. Now we're finishing the booth setting. My senior employee, Mr. Mira, is now cutting our new product, the mockable ruler. It's the biggest size in the cutting and DIY show. We're gonna cut this ruler in the front of all the consumers. You can try ultrasonic cutter and booth, distributing catalogs, and atomizing hypochlorous acid water. Cut plastic like butter. Waiting for a visit at my booth.